Hello Mohawk. On this episode of MoCast, we do a road trip to our new 3D printing additive manufacturing center, and then we meet up with the two co-chairs of our United Way campaign. Now, I've heard a rumor there will be Dress Down Fridays, so I thought I would give everyone a preview of what I will be wearing Dress Down Fridays in support of the United Way.
My name is Professor Robert Gerritsen with the School of Mechanical Engineering here at Mohawk College, and I'm also the coordinator for Mohawk's new Additive Manufacturing Resource Center. The Resource Center here at Mohawk is one of the best equipped labs in the country for exploring 3D printing and additive manufacturing, and we're the second institution in Canada with a direct metal laser sintering technology. So we can produce parts directly out of materials such as aluminum and stainless steel and titanium. And essentially 3D printing and additive manufacturing are really talking about the process of taking digital information and turning it into physical objects. Typically start with a computer-aided CAD model, right, or a solid model of our object, and we will 3D print out or additively manufacture that part. We end up with a fully functional, solid 3D object of our representative CAD design. That concept additive manufacturing opens up a whole new world of design options that we have not yet been able to explore with respect to freedom of form and unique combinations of form and features. One thing we typically take a look at is you can't drill a curved hole, but we can easily print one. And that simple little analogy opens up the whole world of design for additive manufacturing, where we start to look at unique combinations of form and function. Things that we can produce only with additive that we can't produce practically with our traditional manufacturing processes such as machining or casting or injection molding. What it means for Mohawk in the future, we see ourselves as ultimately becoming a global go-to resource for the industry at large that would like to explore that world of 3D printing or additive manufacturing as a viable supplement to their manufacturing processes. We are developing an area of expertise both in terms of direct metal laser sintering technologies and also in terms of design for additive manufacturing. Again, our objectives here is to tailor to the needs of the small to medium enterprise. We see that ultimately becoming a global platform that we may be able to participate in, and also the objective of turning out future-ready students that understand the idiosyncrasies, the pros and cons within that additive manufacturing world.
Time for the annual United Way campaign here at Mohawk College. I have heard rumors that there's going to be dress down days, hence I am rocking the purple onesie from Mohawk College. I am joined by the dynamic duo for our United Way campaign, the co-chairs, Rochelle and Doug. So Rochelle, you're rocking it with the hat and the glasses. Why is that?
I'm trying. Part of our campaign this year is to have Dress Up Fridays. We have a theme every Friday starting in November. We have the sports theme, which Doug is sporting.
Doug, you could have played third base this year for the Jays.
Absolutely. We could have. Yep. We could have. Yep.
We also have Beach Day, hence the glasses and the hat.
Yep.
We have Mohawk Day, which you are proudly sporting.
Totally, my purple onesie, yeah.
Yeah. And then we also have Slipper Day, so feel free to bring your...
The whole ensemble.
Exactly.
Bring in big bucks. What's our goal this year, Doug, for the United Way?
Our goal this year is $65,000, Jay.
Okay. And if we reach that goal, the president's going to do something. What is that he is going to do?
If we reach our goal of the $65,000 this year, the president and the president of the MSA are going to switch jobs.
Okay, so Max Brown, the Mohawk Student Association pres, becomes Mohawk president for the day.
Absolutely.
This is when we put in all our budget requests on that specific day.
That day specifically, that's when we request it.
We'll mark it all on our calendars. So Rochelle, along with the dress up or the dress down days, as the case may be, what else are we planning to raise money for United Way?
So our campaign this year consists of our annual spaghetti lunch.
Can I serve lunch in my onesie?
Absolutely. Right. I think folks will come out just for that.
Big draw.
Yes.
Especially at Stony Creek.
Yes.
We'll do anything for United Way, sure.
Yes. We've also got our annual online silent auction, and we've got some really great things that will be up for auction this year.
Including being a guest co-host on MoCast. Now, who would not want to bid on that?
I don't know.
It might just be to get me off air, people would bid. So, yeah, that would work.
Maybe. We've also got our annual payroll deductions, which generates approximately half of our donations for the year.
Okay. So, Doug, if faculty and staff want to do payroll deduction, how do they set that up?
There'll be an email, a blast email coming out regarding that from Karen Pashley. But if they want to do that, they just connect with HR and they'll set them up for sure.
So to sweeten the pot, if you are a first-time donor, there's usually a draw for those folks. Is that happening this year?
That will be happening again this year. If you're a first-time donor or if you are increasing your donation from last year, you will be entered into a draw for a really, really nice prize.
Is that really nice prize a giant purple onesie?
I can't tell. It's a secret.
I can tell you, if they win, they're going to be really, really lucky. Okay, so hopefully have a really successful campaign. If we get that $65,000 goal, Max and Ron will change jobs. And there's lots of opportunities to give.